Sketching Quadratics Example 3. We have y equals 10 minus 3x minus x squared. So the coefficient of x squared is negative, it's negative 1. And that tells me that it must be a sad curve. The 10 here tells me that the y-intercept is at 0, 10. I think I can factorize this one. Let's just give it a go. 5 and x in one bracket and 2 and x in the other bracket. And if we put the minus here and a plus here, that does give me 10. Add 2x minus 5x is minus 3x, and then minus x squared. So that works. And that gives me the x-intercepts. So my x-intercepts are at negative 5, 0 and 2, 0. Now I could find the line of symmetry by just finding the average of those. So negative 5 add 2 is negative 3, so it will be negative 3 on 2. But I'm going to do it by completing the square. So, just writing these in the other order, I've got minus x squared minus 3x plus 10. So, what I'm going to do is take out negative 1 from the first two terms, and then I'll have x squared plus 3x, and then the plus 10 is just going to sit here for now. Think about re-expanding that. You do get minus x squared minus 3x, and then we want to complete the square inside here. So that's going to be x, half of 3, and if we expand that, we'll get x squared plus 3x. We'll also get 9 over 4, which we don't want. So we'll take that away. And then we've got plus 10. And so re-expanding, that gives me minus x plus 3 over 2 squared plus 9 over 4, because of the minus minus. Add 10, which of course is 40 over 4. So it's minus x plus 3 over 2 squared. Add 49 over 4, which is, and it's handy to know, 12.25. Let's just make a note of that here. So my turning point would be at negative 3 over 2, 49 over 4. So let's try and put all of this on a sketch. Now, I'm leaving myself a bit more negative over here this time because I've got an intercept at negative 5 and one at 2. So it's the y-axis, x-axis. And if I have negative 5 over here and 2 over here, I'm also going to mark on here negative 3 on 2. And so my turning point needs to be up here somewhere. And so it's going to come down from the turning point through this point and down this way. And on this side, it's going to do the same sort of thing. Could perhaps have sketched that a little better and made it look more symmetric. But I'm going to put my turning point up here. And my turning point is at negative 3 over 2 and 49 over 4. Could have thought about the space usage there a little bit more as well. And of course I know the y-intercept here is at 10. And don't forget to label. So it's 10 minus 3x minus x squared. And I haven't mentioned this in any of the examples, but these arrows are really important. They show the continuing trend of the graph.